Bonjour students. So in today's video we are going to do the fourth chapter of your book Mon Passport. The chapter name is On fait une grasse matinée. The meaning of this chapter is we sleep till late. Okay, so let's start the chapter. So here's a Philip. Philip is a boy who is talking to his friends about his experiences that he visited to his grandfather's house, grandmother's house, grandparents' house, and so he is going to talk the all story how he has been there. Okay, so let's start. C'est Philippe maintenant qui raconte son histoire. This is Philip now who is telling his story. Pendant les vacances, during the vacation, je suis allé chez mes grands-parents. I went to my grandparents' house. Vous savez comment sont nos grands-parents? Do you know how our grandparents are? Ils vous préparent beaucoup de choses. They make a lot of things for you. Et ils prennent soin de vous and they take care of you. Ils se réveillent toujours très tôt. They always wake up early. Et veulent que les autres se lèvent aussi très tôt and wants that other also get up early. On peut jamais faire une grasse matinée chez eux. We can never sleep till late to our grandparents. Okay. Next. Un dimanche matin, a Sunday morning, Mami means the grandmother. Okay, so grandmother is saying, Philip, tu es déjà réveillé. You are still sleeping. You have still sleeping or waking up. Philip, no mommy, no grandma, not yet. Pas encore. Mommy, tu dors encore. You are still sleeping. Philip, maintenant je ne dors plus. Now I am no more sleeping. Avec toi, with you, je ne peux jamais faire la grasse matinée. With you, I can never sleep till late. Mommy, mais c'est bien de se réveiller tôt, but it's good to wake up early. Philip, oui, yes. Mais pas en vacances, but not on vacations, not on weekends. Mommy, grandma, mais regarde, but look, je t'apporte un chocolat et un croissant. I bring a chocolate and a croissant. Croissant is a French bread, okay, for you. I bring a chocolate and a croissant for you, okay. So come on the next page. Let's see what Philip is saying. Philip is saying, no merci, no thank you. Je ne veux rien. I want nothing. Je n'ai pas faim. I am not hungry. But mommy, grandma is saying, mange un peu quand même, even though eat a little bit. Philip, no mommy, no grandma, c'est gentil, you are very kind. Mais, but, je ne veux rien manger. I want nothing to eat. Je ne veux parler à personne. I do not want to talk to anyone. Okay. So now, mommy, grandma is saying, d'accord, all right. Je ne vais jamais faire le petit déjeuner. I am never going to make breakfast. Philip, now Philip is saying, mais mommy, but grandma, je ne prends jamais rien au petit déjeuner. I never take nothing in the breakfast. Okay. Now Philip is saying, vous voyez comme c'est difficile dormir chez mamie. You see how difficult it is to sleep to our grandmother's house. Okay. Now Philip is talking to his friends. In this para, from this line, Philip is talking to his friends because he was telling a story to his friends. No. So right now he is talking to his friends. So Celine is saying now, Je suis d'accord avec toi, Philippe. I agree with you, Philippe. Le dimanche, on Sunday, on a toujours envie de faire la grasse matinée. We always want to sleep till late. Okay, on Sunday. Personne n'aime se lever tôt on dimanche means no one wants to wake up. No one likes to wake up on Sunday. Now Louis is saying, oui, yes. Rien n'est pire que se réveiller tôt en vacances. Nothing is bad than to wake up early on weekends, on vacations. Elena is saying, c'est tard, it's late. Je dois partir, I have to leave. Céline and Louis, they are also saying, nous aussi, we also. On se voit demain, we meet tomorrow. Okay, so in this way we have finished the translation of this chapter, which was very easy, not very tough. Achha, one thing in this chapter you are going to learn that whatever the red highlighted words you see, pas encore, ne dors plus, ne jamais, ne peut jamais. So these words are a negative expression. These words are negative expressions. Like here you learn pas encore, not yet. Here you learn ne dors plus, no more, ne jamais, never. Here on the next page, ne rien, nothing. Here also ne rien, nothing. Here ne personne means no one. Ne jamais, never. Ne jamais, again never. So basically in this chapter you are going to learn the negative expressions of French. Like in a affirmative sentence, how will you answer in negative using these expressions? Okay, so let's see a bit about the language part where the question answers are there. This one, répondez. You know répondez, it means to answer. Où est Philippe? Where is Philippe? You will find the answers from the text. Qu'est-ce que mamie apporte pour Philippe? What does grandmother bring for the Philippe? That also you find from the text. I have already explained everything. Dites vrai ou faux. Here is true false. You can do. Philippe aime faire la grasse matinée. Philippe likes to sleep till late. True or false, vrai ou faux. You can do it by yourself and you have to send me. Third one, trouver le contraire. You know the meaning of contraire. Contraire is to find opposite words of the given words. Like facile means easy, so opposite will be difficult, so that will be difficile you find in the text. Se coucher, to go to bed, so it will be opposite. To wake up, to get up. Tar is to late, it will be tôt, early. And méchant is naughty, so will be bon, good. Okay, so after that the grammar starts. I'll explain grammar in the next video. Till now I hope it is clear to you, all the language part, and you will do by yourself the translation in the notebook and try to complete the exercises by yourself. I'll cover the grammar in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning French. Merci and au revoir.